you might think that you switched to the, I don't know, some science or nature channel, but it's not. It's actually movie. And it's true. It's very ugly. Just kidding. Those are just some of his best pictures. And I thought, since nagawa siya ng t-shirt, para iparapol sa ating mga mixed viewers, at kung saan lang nyo naman nakita yon, I thought it would be nice to show you the best pictures of DJ Luis and have it on screen for 1 week. So 1 week nyo kung ma-enjoy ang best ni DJ Luis floating around your screens during the top 10. So thank you to me. I got so nice. Anyway, Mixed Month 2009 is exactly a week away. Like, oh my god. This is going to be on November 26th in Salty Kister. Pagkasi natin lahat doon. I'm just kidding. MOA. Mall of Asia. You guys gotta be there. You can claim your tickets at ABS-CBN Center Road. Doon mismo talaga sa gitna ng daan. Huh? MOA Open Ground. Yeah, that's what I said. You're so magulo, okay? I'm talking about the tickets. The tickets, you can get them at ABS-CBN Center Road. Kung saan mismo dumadaan yung mga coach. Okay, tickets na. You guys are so out of it. 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. until November 25, even on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, guys? You can get VIP tickets if you buy Mixed Mag. I think Ate Dot, the our makeup artist, should watch this because I heard na pumunta rin siya doon mismo sa kuhanan ng tickets and demanded 10 VIP tickets. Akalata niya, sumusunod siya sa Channel F makeup artist. Akala niya ganun yung subscribe. So you can get VIP tickets if you buy a Mixed Mag there, which are admission tickets, are of course free. In the meantime, we have Fireflies by Owl City, which drops on free soon again. Music from American Idol runner-up Adam Lambert. Now this is the theme song of the main play stuff. You're going to see this. No? I'm kidding. We love Tino. Okay, excuse ko lang. Tino is actually in a relationship. He keeps on denying it, but he's in a relationship with a man. With a man. The name, I should have said, to protect the man. But he's in a relationship with a guy. So have you seen it? I haven't seen it yet. Effort. You don't have a mind. They're gonna scare you. Very love. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm excited to upset with her if it was worth watching because if ever has to make some knowledge like that. I got next to me. Some of you said that yes, Hubby is worth watching. And some of you said one day that it's overrated, that super effective, that I even heard some people walking out of the movie. So what I guess I have to watch it. Anyway, time for miracles here. Huwag kang magpapa-apekto kay DJ Luis. Pag-pray na rin natin ang soul niya. You're right. Pag-pray natin ang soul niya. I actually haven't heard from him in a while. Sabi niya, na-experience daw niya yung The Hangover movies sa Vegas. So God knows what he could be doing right now. For all we know, nasa presinto na siya ngayon. Not close on. I don't know. Okay. From Mateus. Hey, DJ Nick, you're so funny talaga. Nakakahook ang top 10 dahil sa war ni Luis. Whoa. Chaotic environment siguro dyan sa inyo. Yes, I find it cool. Kung mayaman lang ako, bibigyan kita ng budget para sa pagganti mo kay Luis. Aha, stay fresh. Bakit may mga times ba hindi ako fresh? Okay. Guys, di ba parang lahat na lang ng insulto gusto nyo matanggap maliban sa okay. Never mind. It's too offensive. Stay fresh and beautiful. Mateus Mopera. Thank you very much for taking the time to text us all nga. Sana nga ay nagpadala ka ng budget mo. But it's okay. At kasi wala naman din masyadong ganap. At ito na yung talagang the best na magagawa ko yung mga floating icons of DJ Luis. And parang napapagod na rin naman ako sa war. At magpapasko. I'm actually thinking of reconciliation. But I don't know. It's still in the works. Pinag-uusapan pa namin and we don't know how we're going to do it. Anyway, since I mentioned Christmas, how timely, because our next song is Your Christmas Girl by Sarah Geronimo. She is at number 8.